guys, how are you doing? Welcome to my channel. Now on this video I'll be sharing with you some of the things that you can actually do to increase your income right in the fourth quarter of the year. Yes guys, so it's appropriate for me to say welcome to the fourth quarter of the year. And I don't know how business has been for you so far, but what I'll be sharing with you are some of the strategies that you can very well implement in your business that will make you money in the year 2023 before you run out, right? So we're looking at making money, right? And this is the best time for you to start planning on how you can actually make money in the year, right? So let's get into this, right? So what is the one thing you want to do when it comes to making money for your business? Okay, so the number one thing I want you to do is to start planning for your holiday promotion. Yes guys, so in the first quarter of the year, right, this periods where we begin to have holidays like Thanksgiving, like Christmas, like New Year, like the if you're in Nigeria, we have this Afika, some of that, whatever it's called, right? So there are a lot of holidays in the year, so you want to look this up and see some of these holidays, and what you can start doing is for you to start planning for all of these holidays. So you want to begin to plan bunch of products and see how you can very well start letting your customers and intended customers to know that these holidays are coming and you are going to be having offers like this. Okay, so holiday offers like that, right? So that is one thing you want to do, as it relates to holiday promotions. Now, another thing that you can actually do is for you to create loyalty programs, right? So what do I mean by loyalty programs? Loyalty programs are programs that you can actually, reward your customers that are, existing already, people that have bought from you already, people that are into business with you already. You can very well, reward them with something. You can tell them, create offers for them and let them know that, for standing by you all through the year, this is what you have for them and this is what you want to do for them, right? So this will actually help people that have not even bought from you before to even want to buy, right? And people that have bought from you, they would want to buy more when they know that there is this loyalty program that you're having because they have been a customer of yours before now, right? So you want to think of loyalty programs that you can create in your business and let your customers know that this is the program you have for them, and they can participate in it if they do one or two things. So there's a condition for them to actually meet so that they can be part of the loyalty program. Another thing that you can do is to create offers. Okay, so you want to start thinking of offers that you can create in your business. Now, remember I talked about the holiday, programs, right? So your offers can come with the holiday program. So you can do Christmas offers, you can do New Year offers, you can do birthday offers, you can do weekend offers, right? So you want to think of offers that you can do that will make your customers to want to buy from you. All right. So remember, this offer should be something that is irresistible by your customer. So you want to look at your product that is doing very well. So if you have a particular product that is selling, like fast and furious, right? Yes. So something that is selling fast and furious, you want to create an offer on it so that more people can actually get that particular product of yours. So let's say you're into bags, right? You're into clothing, fashion, right? You want to look at something that you can bundle together, for instance, and create an offer on it so that people will buy out on that, right? So that is some of the offers that you can create. Another thing that you can do is to start running advertising. Yes guys, I always say this, for you to get more people, all right, for you to make more money in your business, you need more people to actually see your business. You need more people to actually see your product. You need more people to actually see your services. And one way you can do that is by running adverts, right? So advertising on social media, on your local accessories, local directories, right? You want to start running ads and get more eyes to your business, to your product, to your services, whatever it is that you are doing. You want to get more eyes to it. And how you can do that is to actually run advertising, right? So when you run advertising, you're getting more people to know about your offers, you're getting more people to know about your business, your product, your services, whatever it is that you would want them to know, they are getting to know about it, and definitely they will want to buy if you have good offers for them. All right, so that's about advertising. Another thing you want to do is for you to create collaborations and partnership, right? So you want to collaborate with people. Think about your business. What is it about your product? What do you think you can partner? Who do you think you can partner with that would want to do business with you? Now, when you're thinking about partnership and collaborations, one thing you want to bear in mind is the product you're trying to promote, right? So if you're selling clothes, for instance, you want to partner with somebody that has to do with fashion accessories, right? So that both of you can collaborate together and push that product out. Remember, when you are partnering and collaborating, you are doing cross promotion. So that person is promoting on his or her platforms, and you are promoting on your own platforms, and you are getting more eyes to your business, right? And with that, with the offer that both of you are coming together to create, definitely people would be interested in getting that offer. So collaboration and partnership is one thing you want to think about, right? As it comes to you wanting to make money. Now, I want you to understand that this is the period where people are making buying decisions. Yes, even though we say that people don't like to buy, right? But people still love to buy, okay? But the only thing is that they don't want you to come straight in their faces and tell them, come and buy this, come and buy that. No, they don't like that. All right, so whenever you're putting out your offers, your promotions, make sure you are not salesy, right? You are not salesy. You are not asking them, come and buy this. Do it subtly and get them to buy. All right, so that is one thing you want to note. Okay, I have to chip that in so that you don't go telling people, come and buy this, come and buy that. No, people don't like buying, right? So don't be salesy about your product. Don't be salesy about the promotion that you're about to do. All right, so that and this is some of the things that you can actually implement in your business and get more people to buy your product and increase your sales in this fourth quarter of the year. Now, I have put together 30 videos where I talked about how you can actually get more customers in your business. Now, one of the things I talked about getting more customers is running adverts, right? Now, in these 30 videos, I have put together 30 strategies. Of course, advertising is one of them, okay? So I have put together 30 strategies that you can actually implement in your business to get your customers on a daily basis. Yes, guys, you want to get this videos right now so that you can learn that and implement in this fourth quarter of the year so that you can start getting more people to see your product and start making more sales. Remember, more people see your product, more money comes into your bank account. All right, so click the link in the description of this video and you will see the link to actually go get the course right now. All right, I will catch you again on another video. Do well to watch any of these videos that is popping right now and learn more on how you can actually increase your income in your business. I'll catch you on another video. Ciao.